When a man gets an erection, the process of getting ready for an ejaculation takes place, and the ejaculatory duct is the duct that holds everything back until that orgasm takes place. And as you can see here, the ejaculatory duct holds semen until the pressure is sufficient to cause an ejaculation. The preseminal fluid, as I mentioned previously, in the Cowper's gland, releases that clear liquid that lubricates the urethra. Preseminal fluid, or precum, is that fluid that can contain sperm, viruses, bacteria, and again, it needs to be protected. It's how condom use can be ineffective if that liquid gets on the condom and the condom is put into the vagina. That transfer of sperm, semen, bacteria, and viruses can happen. Again, the urethra is just a tube that carries urine and also semen. An erection, most of you know that when an erection takes place, there's blood flow that fills the capillaries in the penis to make it hard. And then when an ejaculation takes place, or a man's not sexually stimulated anymore, the blood flow is reversed and it's carried out of the penis, and the penis becomes flaccid again. All males are born with a skin covering to the tip of the penis called the foreskin. And there's many of young men are circumcised, which is the medical procedure for removing that foreskin. And it's just really done to help keep it clean, but there's really no other medical benefit from that. And for young men that are circumcised or uncircumcised, it really doesn't have an effect on any of the sexual pleasure or function of the penis. The scrotum is the sac that holds the testicles, and it's kind of a unique function of the male reproductive system, that it has this external part of the reproductive system. And it's simply this, that the testicles need to be able to move up and down, closer or farther away from the body to maintain a temperature. And so boys know this, but girls don't. If a young man or a man jumps into a cold swimming pool, the testicles immediately, that scrotum shrinks up, pulls the testicle closer to the body so that it can keep them warm. And if it's really warm outside, then the reverse takes place. The skin relaxes in the scrotum and drops the testicles farther away from the body to keep them at the correct temperature. So those are the parts of the male reproductive system that I'd like to cover. And I would like you now to just watch the introductory video on the next slide for the female reproductive system, and I'll be back after that.